Maintaining your gutters shouldn't be a daunting task. With the right tools, it can be efficient, safe, and even satisfying. Introducing the GCX range from V-TUF, engineered for durability, power, and convenience. From high-powered vacuums, extendable pipes, and precision-mounted cameras, discover the gear that's changing the way professionals and homeowners tackle gutter maintenance. First up, our GCX range of tough gutter cleaning vacuums. Built to handle anything from dry leaves to stubborn dirt clogs, these machines pack industrial-strength suction while remaining easy to maneuver. With lightweight designs, robust wheels and wide-bore inlets, cleaning your gutters is no longer an all-day chore. Featuring powerful suction and large capacity storage tanks, these vacuums ensure you spend more time cleaning and less time emptying. Next, let's talk about reach. Our extendable pipes, crafted from high-grade light aluminium and carbon fibre, make it simple to access out-of-reach gutters while keeping your boots on the ground. With kits of 8 by 1.5 meters lengths, giving your height of 40 feet, these pipes give you full control, whether you're working on a bungalow or a 3-story home. V-TUF's secure proprietary locking system ensures stability and control at any height, making your work quicker, safer, and more effective. But cleaning isn't just about power and reach, it's about precision. Our GCXVISIO nozzle-mounted cameras allow you to see the unseen with real-time visual feedback, so you can see exactly what you're tackling. No guesswork, no missed spots. These compact, high-definition cameras are built to withstand the toughest conditions, giving you a crystal-clear, detailed view of even the hardest-to-see angles. They even let you record and save footage in case you wanted to showcase your work to your client base. So, whether you're a seasoned pro or a weekend warrior, the GCX line of vacuums, extendable pipes, and the GCXVISIO cameras are here to make your gutter cleaning safer, faster, and cleaner. Invest in tools that work as hard as you do. Clean smarter, not harder. V-TUF. Get equipped.